Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dennis, and I'm at a place called Mount Ridley down near Esperance. And if you don't believe in giants or large people, then check this out. Just trying to piece together the puzzle here. I believe some kind of massive plasma event or something happened. I believe, well, my opinion is there are giants here, and I'm standing next to what I believe could be a giant hip bone. Here's my hand. You see rocks aren't hollow. Yeah, and see this cartilage, fat. And over here, just over here, I was questioning this. I think someone in Switzerland put up a giant's penis the other day. I mean, you have to ask the question. That looks just like a man's willy. I mean, you've even got two balls there. And what's strange, you see this here? See that there? I've never... See that there? It's the same. Can you see that? Cut myself off to know what I would have thought the urethra tract, I think they call it, would have been vertical, not horizontal. But I'm not a doctor, but I mean, what do you think? Stand back and have a look at that. A couple of balls. And you'll see what I'm talking about. There's pieces of this everywhere. I walked over some rocks over here, it sounded like they're hollow. This is not normal.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long year, stolen many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure that Pilate washed his hand and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around in St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a general's rank when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I watched with glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I laid traps for the troubadours who get killed before they reach Bombay. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. What's confusing you is the nature of my game. Just as every cop is a criminal, all its innocents are saints. As head is tail, just call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, and some taste. You sure you will learn politics while they your soul to wait. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game.